I find it inspiring that even with today's distractions, so many students thought about the books they've lost and are realizing that they're impacted because they lost those books. So even though a lot of people feel that reading is declining, to me it's good to know that books still really hold a special place in our students' hearts.
Thank you so much for your donation of all those books. Reading is really important, especially at a young age, because it gives people a chance to see things from different perspectives and expand your imagination. Makes a real positive difference. Thank you.